Hello guys, welcome to Techipin channel. If you're new to my channel, then please do click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon next to it so that you will get notified when I'm uploading a new video. In today's video, we are going to see about introduction of C and history of C. So this is the first video that I'm uploading under the series for C language. So if you are a new programmer, you don't know anything about it, or you don't know about C language, then this is the best video that you could see for learning C language. We are going to and because all the concepts that are coming under C language. So let's move on to the video. C language is actually a general purpose programming language, and it is extremely popular all over the world, and it is also simple and easy to learn, and it is also so flexible. We can do what type of programming in this C language. So it is a basic language where you are writing everything. You can write programmers starting with the sum of n numbers to operating systems, database, anything. So if you know C, you can grasp any knowledge that are related to programming. You can read any programming language if you know the concepts of C. Now we are seeing about the languages that are present before the development of C. So these are the languages that were present before the development of C. C was not the first language actually. So we had ALGOL, BCPL, then B, traditional C, then we had K and RC, and ANSI C, ANSI or ISO C, C99. These were the programming languages that were before the development of C language actually. We didn't have C only the language that was existing before the development of any language. These were the languages that were present before the existence of C. After that only C came into existence. So we are going to move on to the history of C. So here we are going to see who developed everything. So C was evolved basically from the two languages BCPL and B. We have already seen the existing language before C. In that BCPL and B were there. So BCPL is a basic combined programming language. So BCPL was developed by Martin Richards and B was developed by Ken Thompson. So these two people developed BCPL and B. So with the help of BCPL and B, we developed C language, not we actually. Dennis Richard Ritchie developed this C language at Bell Laboratories, and it was originally implemented on DEC PDP-11. That was a computer that first C language established, where C language was first programmed in 1972. So we had B language, right? So C language was named after B. So C, since it's B, then we named it as C. So both BCPL and B were actually typeless languages. So to give a form to the programming language, C was initially developed. Actually, C was widely used for the development of Unix OS. We have operating systems like Unix, Linux, Windows and all. So for developing Unix, C was used. Now all the OS and including Windows are using C language. So C language was not only for Unix, and it is also nowadays used in MySQL, and we have many programming language. We are also using it in data structures. It's like the building block for the programming languages, for the programs that we are writing. It is also a building block for many programming language to come into existence. For C it was BCPL and B, and many programming languages have C as a building block. So when we come to students point of view, so for placements or for any project work, anything, C is the building block. So many placement, when you go for placements and all, they ask you to program in C. They ask the concepts because the basic concepts are evolved from C. Then only we have many libraries that are modified and given in many other programming language, but we have the basic modules, basic libraries, and the basic concepts only from C. From there only many programming languages started to evolve, and it is also used in MySQL. It is used in data structure. It is used in many programs, not only from the sum of n numbers or only from the basic programs. So that's it for this video. From next video we are going to See, from the scratch to the pro level, the concepts that are present in C, we are going to discuss everything about C language. So this series is totally for C. I'm going to cover all the topics. So if you are a new programmer, if you wanted to learn about C language, then this is the platform that you can learn. So it's absolutely for free, and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and do share this video to the people who wanted to know about C language, and also the previous videos. If they wanted to know, then please do click the subscribe button and share this video to everyone. Thank you.